let's assemble chip bags. Take some double-sided tape, put it along one end. Bring the two ends together so you see where it will meet. I like to just put a little crease at the top so I know where to place the other tape. So now I have those little lines. I know to place my tape in between there and not so close to the edge because we're going to crimp those with some pinking shears. So go back about 1/4 of an inch, put your tape between those two marks. Smooth it down. Then I'll take off this tape using my pen weeding tool to pull that off. Take that, match up my seams. Smooth it out, all smooth. I can undo the bottom or the top, but first let me cut off that little extra piece of tape. I don't know if you could see that there. It's an extra piece right there, so I'll cut it off. And this is the top, so I'll take off the inside bottom using my pen and go ahead and line that up and press it in. So that side is done. Got a little tape here. It's not gonna matter because we're gonna cut that off. So let's not worry about it. So now we have this hole in the top. Can you see that? And inside the top, we have our double-sided tape right there. And we're just gonna get our chips. Oh, here we go. We have a bag of Doritos, the 1 ounce size. And so I'm just going to take those, put them inside our chip bag. This bag seems to have a lot of air in it, but it should go. Let's just shake it out in there. There we go. It's down. Could shake it a little more. All right, and put our tops together. Get our pen and take off the backing of that tape. Bring our sides together evenly. And there we go. You could leave it like this if you want it, but we're gonna do one next step. We're gonna take it, and these are some pinking shears that are very dull. A vintage pair too. Oh my goodness, look at these. Can you see that? Briskman's original pinking shears, model C, as in I can see you, number 7. So These are very old. I think I've looked them up before, but so I've inherited these. And they're not really sharp enough for fabric, although I'm going to look into getting them sharpened, but in the meantime, this is what I'm doing. So I just take it and go across here, trying to make sure I leave a little white. And that's the bottom. Do the same thing at the top. And there we go. All right, so we have 5 chip bags done. We need 20, so here's my stack of printed papers, and I'm just gonna go through with them. All right, thanks for joining me.